Ready?
Welcome to Academy of Sound Engineering. As an ASE student, you'll have full access to all our world-class facilities and equipment.
We got the crew set up right here. This is students from ASE.
At Academy of Sound Engineering, we like to make sure our students are able to turn their passions into careers. We do this by affording them hands-on experience in our state-of-the-art studios and even facilities here at the SABC.
One of the aspects that sets us apart is our lecturers. We encourage all lecturers to be active in the industry, bringing their authentic, real-life experience into the classroom.
On the creative side, we'll take your musicality and hone it and bring it up to the next level. On the technical side, we will teach you how to make productions that look and sound great. On the business side, we'll show you how to make money out of the music industry.
With over 90% of our graduates working in the music and entertainment industry, ASE is your gateway to turning your passion into a career. Join us at Academy of Sound Engineering, the ultimate entertainment education.